Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today, I've got a food shop for you. And we know we all love a food shop. However, this one is a food shop with a difference. This is a collab video with my friend Hayley, who has a channel called The Clarks in Canada, which is just here. I'll also put a little picture in and I will do a little link to her video and to her channel down below. Hayley lives in on Vancouver Island in Canada, and we met a while ago before we went to Canada, and she kind of gave me advice. She works in tourism and she gave me advice on places to go, and we just became friends over the internet. There's a cat about to... Gary, don't you dare. Gary, piss off. Gary, piss off. Oh my God. Gary, go away. Bloody cat. Gary! He's eating my microphone. I'm sorry if you can hear his little chewing. Yeah, so she gave me some advice about Vancouver Island because we visited there. And we wanted to do a collab together because we both had YouTube channels, and we thought it'd be really fun. And she came up with the idea of doing a food shop comparison. So she has done a food shop where she spent $100 in Walmart in Canada, and I'm going to spend the equivalent, which is about £64 in Asda in the UK. And then we're gonna show you guys what we got. So this video is me showing you what I'm doing, and then I'll do my normal random stuff of what we talk about afterwards with food plans and stuff. And then Hayley is gonna do her own one where she shows everybody what she got for her $100 and what I've got for my £64. So yeah, I think it's gonna be really fun. I hope it is. The price of groceries has just gone up everywhere at the moment. It's ridiculous, but I'm going to try and do it. I've got my list. It's 7:30 at night. I'm now going to Asda. It's Saturday. But I've got my list. I've got my meal plan. So we shall see how it goes. But yeah, subscribe to Hayley's channel. She's awesome. She does all stuff about how she has emigrated to Canada. And then she does vlogs and stuff as well, which is awesome. And if you're new here from Hayley's channel, hi, how's it going? Yeah, welcome to the weirdness of this channel. There's nothing professional about this channel. It's a lot of mediocre filming. There's always cats. Binksy, as always. Look, there's another one here. Get in the flowers. Binksy cat, get out of the flowers. Oh, look, there's another one. There's always cats everywhere on my videos. Yeah, so don't expect professionalism because you just won't get it. Say hi, my name's Chippy. But yeah, you get fun videos, you get honesty, and you get real life. So yeah, hi. I'm gonna go to Asda now and do the food shop, see how I get on. I'm hoping I can get everything that I need. We're a family of 5. Binksy cat, stop drinking the water. I'm going to go and do the food shop and I'll speak to you in a bit. Right, I'm back from Asda. There's my receipt. My total was $64.27. I'll put the exact Canadian dollars on the screen now. I'll also take a picture of this and insert it so you can actually see how much each thing was, because I'm not going to go through each individual thing because that will take me fucking ages. There's another cat. Oh my God. So yeah, there's another cat. There's 4, just in case you were new here and you were wondering how many fucking cats we have. There's 4. I'm going to start over here. So we've got squash, 2 lots of summer fruits, and 2 lots of orange and pineapple. Yum. Marriage pipe and potatoes, that's 2.5 kilos. I wasn't going to bother getting cat food because I thought I didn't really think that counted as a grocery, but I'd finished and I had the money, so I did it. So I got the kitten, her food, and then the boys have got something new to try because they didn't have the food that I usually have. Carrots, they were 25p for the bag. We use them in soups and Mika eats them as a snack. Asda have started doing this yellow Just Essentials. So I've got a few bits of that. You'll see why there's random yellow things. The ketchup, Pink Lady apples. I got the kids some little apples, bananas, 2 lots of corn. These were on offer, and we love corn, so I got them. An iceberg, cucumber, cream crackers, malted milk biscuits, custard creams, raspberries, and some bagel thins. Aria has bagel thins. She normally has the Warburton's ones because the New York ones are a bit crap, but this was all they had, so I got them. 6 eggs. We've already got some eggs left over, so that's why we got 6. Mini poppadoms, some hula hoop puffs, I love these. 12 Baby Bell Lights. I've got these for the kids to try. Vanilla caramel Oreos. 5 little Freddos on offer. Piss off, Gary. Got myself some quark. I know people think this is disgusting, but I really like it. Hummus. Ham. I got the value cheddar. I think this is, how big is that? 825 grams, and it was like £3 something. Butter, I can't remember if I said that. Got the kids some yogurts. Looked at the ingredients of these and the next price up, and they're basically the same, so we thought we'd try these. Got a low fat yogurt for me. Got Foxy one of these because I had a little bit of money left over and they were on offer, and he loves these. Some Maldon salt, a passata, some nacho cheese for Nacho Thursdays. I normally have petit pois, but they didn't have any, so I got garden peas. 2 lots of chickpeas for my curry, lean mince, bacon, got the value chicken nuggets. These are probably going to be fucking rank, but we'll see what the kids think. 80p. Pineapple for Mika smoothie bowls. Tea, because British. Pasta, but we do the little Action Man bow ties this week. Bread. We are taking the kids tomorrow to their grandparents while we go and help my mum out. So I got them a Choco Poo cupcake kit to make with Ben's parents. They'll love that. Some milk and a lemon strawberry drink. So yeah, that is the shopping. I'm going to put it away and then we'll have a chat about the meal plan. It got really dark, so I've had to put my torch on. Meal plan. So today's Saturday. Last night we had pizza, homemade pizza. Tonight, what do we have tonight? Oh, Aria and Fox had McDonald's, and then me, Mika and Ben had omelettes when we got home with like egg, cheese, ham and potatoes, just because we'd been out to a theme park all day and it was getting late and Foxy was getting tired, so we had to get him and Aria some food before we got home, otherwise they would have gone to bed with nothing. Tomorrow night we're going to have pasta. Monday we're going to have curry. I'm going to make a dal for me and Aria, and then I'll make like a dry chicken tikka for Ben and Mika and Fox. Tuesday we're having potato cakes and sausages, I think. Yeah, I'm so tired, it's ridiculous. Wednesday's Nacho Wednesday, and then Thursday I'm going to a wedding, so Ben will be here with the kids, which means they will have nugs and waffles and he will fend for himself for the night. And then Friday is Fox's birthday, and we are going to the zoo for the day, so I don't know what we're going to be eating then. But yeah, that was my food shop and the comparison between what you can get in Asda and Walmart in Canada. I'm very excited to see Hayley's video because like I love doing my food shopping. When we were in Canada I had so much fun doing the food shopping. This light is just horrendous, isn't it? I've got literally got my phone torch on. Yeah, I loved going to all the supermarkets. I went to Walmart, I went to Family Grocer, I went to Save on Foods, I went to Canadian Superstore. I just loved it. It was so much fun. I love food shopping. So yeah, I'm really excited to see her video. Go ahead, go watch her video, subscribe if you like her channel. You know what to do. I've always based my channel, if you like me, subscribe and watch. If you don't, that's fine. We can't all like everybody, and that's fine. But yeah, go see what you think. She's awesome. You'll love her, I know it. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.